Hey, what's going on? We're excited that you landed on this page and you clicked yes to learn about our bonus referral program. See, like many of you, myself, I came through this program, got my credit restored, and was excited about sharing this information with other people. And the bonus referral program is something that I'm very happy with. How would someone like you love to earn money just by telling other people about our program to take their credit to the next level? So this program is going to show you how you actually get paid just by referring other people. So we have a program called Scribe for Five. Now, every customer that you refer to our company to get their credit restored, you're going to earn $100 up front, right? And then $12 a month residually. So that's $100. You go out there, you refer five people. That's one, two, three, four, $500 you just earned just for referring five people. Again, you also going to make $12 a month residually for the life of that customer. And then also, once you refer five people, your services becomes free as well. You don't have to continue to pay the $89 a month. So again, you go out there, every person you refer, $100 up front, $12 a month residually. Strive for five. Once you get five people, your services becomes free. Now, when you become a referral agent and you get on our bonus referral program, you get your own website. It looks just like what you see on the screen right here. You get paid out every single week, direct deposit on Thursday. You're 1099. You have tax advantages. You have agent. You have customer support. You have everything you need to do. All we're doing, we're not fixing anyone's credit. We all know people that got less than perfect credit. All we're doing is referring them to this website you see on the screen. They enroll. Our company fix their credit. You get paid, right? It's $288 to get started in our program as a referral agent. $89 a month. But like I covered on the first screen, once you refer five people, your services becomes free, right? Now you're also able to earn other bonuses called a customer acquisition bonus. So as you introduce new people to the program, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $550. Just depends on where you're at in our compensation plan. Now we have a third way that you get paid. It's called our infinity bonus, right? As you refer customers and as you also introduce other referral agents to the program, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $100,000 in bonus money every single month just for referring people to the program. Now it gets better because we have something called an R&R Club Extension Retirement Relaxation. And as you go out here and hit these milestones and bring customers to the program that you refer, the company's going to give you different bonuses. And it starts out at the first level. Level one, they pay $600 a month towards your car payment, right? It could be an Audi, it could be a Benz, it could be a Cadillac. Company's going to cover it for you. Now, level 2 through 3, they're going to give you a one-time $10,000 cash bonus and then a $1,500 a month car allowance. Level 4, you're going to get $25,000 cash bonus once you hit that milestone of refer a certain amount of customers between you and your team to the program. Level 5, they're going to give you a $50,000 cash bonus, but you can also upgrade your car to the Bentley level. I mean, this is just phenomenal. Level 6, they pay $5,000 a month towards your mortgage. Level 7 through 10, they're going to give you up to a $25,000 a month lifetime retirement bonus, and the company's going to pay you bonuses of anywhere from $150,000 to $250,000 a month. I mean, this is an incredible plan. We all know people that can benefit from it. We all know people that got less than perfect credit. All you and I got to do is refer them to the program. The company fix their credit. We get paid. It's really that simple. Phenomenal comp plan. The great thing about it is the training and the support. See, here in our program, it's not about you learning everything. We have a training system that's going to teach you how to bring in customers. That's going to teach you how to build your business. We're going to hold you by the hand and guide you through as you earn money through the compensation plan just for referring people. So just a quick recap, 288 gets you started in our program as a referral agent. You're able to earn money every time you refer people to the program. So get back to the person that sent you this video. Get started right away and start earning weekly commissions for referring people to the program. We'll see you at the top. Take care.